Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce your crypto management time with BlockFi, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with BlockFi, first, visit the official BlockFi website. Create an account by clicking on the Get Started button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Make sure to verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Next, complete the account verification process by providing your personal information as requested. This usually includes your name, address, and date of birth. Once your account is verified, log in to your BlockFi dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard for easy navigation. To reduce management time, consider linking your bank account for smooth transactions. Navigate to the funding section to connect your bank account. Follow the prompts to complete the linking process securely. Now, explore the Earn feature to maximize your cryptocurrency holdings. You can deposit various cryptocurrencies to earn interest over time. Select the cryptocurrency you'd like to deposit and follow the on-screen instructions. Make a note of the deposit address provided by BlockFi. Transfer your cryptocurrencies from your wallet to this address for successful deposits. Regularly check the Overview tab to track your earnings and balances. Consider setting up automatic transfers to consistently grow your crypto portfolio. This will minimize the need for manual transactions going forward. Utilize the Borrow feature if you need liquidity without selling your assets. Review the terms and conditions to ensure you're comfortable with the borrowing details. Stay updated with BlockFi's announcements for any changes or new features. This will help you remain informed and maximize your crypto management efficiency. Lastly, periodically review your investment strategy to adapt to market changes. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your crypto management time with BlockFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.